Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 MG ZST Vibe, stock reference number 4993. This shape runs from the 9th month 2017 and is the current shape. It has an AZ S1 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. AZ S1 1.5 litre full cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, left rear 17 inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17 inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, less flare, and a right front 17 inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav, screen display, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.